Hello, Mr. Nursa. Now I'm at the concrete mixer truck warehouse, and this is our finished product. You can have a look. All of this mixer truck, we already finished the production. This is the Dongfeng Cheeses brand. Okay, come here. This is the inside of the truck. This is the left driver truck. Also, you can choose left or right driver truck. We can change it according to your request. This one, this is the water tank, and also here this is the water meter. You will know how many water is here. If the water is less, you can add the water. And also the water is controlled by here. You can see here. This is the air injector for control about the water to enter, to clean, and also add for the concrete. This is the air pipe. You can see this is the multi-valve for the hydraulic oil, because this machine using the hydraulic reducer, so it needs the hydraulic oil. Here can transfer the hydraulic oil very smoothly. This is for the water. This one is to add the water for the concrete mixer drum to mix the concrete. And here, this is a high pressure water injector. It can clean this whole mixer drum. The top is the feeding pot. You can feed in the concrete into the mixer truck, and also this feeding pot can change the size according to your machine. Here is the discharging pot. You can see for this discharging pot, this length can also adjust according to your request.